Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses DTC P0105-16 and P0107, indicating a low-voltage condition in the Manifold Absolute Pressure MAP sensor circuit for the 2023 and newer Honda CR-V models. The MAP sensor plays a pivotal role in engine management by measuring the intake manifold pressure, which directly influences fuel injection, ignition timing, and other critical engine functions. A low MAP sensor voltage suggests that the Engine Control Module, ECM, also known as the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects a malfunction, prompting the vehicle to store these diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. The location of the MAP sensor is typically found on the intake manifold, connected to the engine management system via a wiring harness. Analyzing and resolving issues with the MAP sensor and its associated circuits is crucial to ensuring optimal performance and compliance with emissions regulations. DTC P0105-16 and P0107 indicate that the voltage output of the MAP sensor is reading lower than the specified threshold. When this occurs, the PCM, which is the brain of the vehicle's engine management system, recognizes this low voltage as an abnormal condition, leading it to store the DTC for further diagnosis. The MAP sensor is a critical component located directly on the engine's intake manifold, usually showcasing a 3-pin connector. It measures the pressure or vacuum in the intake manifold and sends vital data back to the PCM. If the MAP sensor is malfunctioning, or if there is an issue in its circuit, it can upset the balance of air and fuel entering the engine, affecting performance, efficiency, and emissions. Several factors may contribute to the triggering of DTC P0105-16 and P0107. A primary cause is a faulty MAP sensor, which may not be providing accurate voltage readings, hence indicating a low level. Additionally, issues may arise within the electrical circuit connecting the MAP sensor to the PCM, which can include damaged wiring, poor connections, or open circuits. If all other components check out, the PCM itself may be the cause of the malfunction. It's crucial to inspect the MAP sensor and its surrounding circuitry thoroughly before concluding that the PCM is at fault. The manifestation of DTC P0105-16 and P0107 may lead to noticeable symptoms in vehicle operation. Drivers may experience poor engine performance, which can present as stalling or uneven engine idling, as the vehicle's fuel delivery and timing become disrupted. There may also be increased fuel consumption due to the incorrect air-fuel mixture generated from erroneous readings of the MAP sensor. Additionally, the illumination of the check engine light serves as an alert, indicating that there is a detected problem with the engine management system. These symptoms highlight the importance of addressing these DTCs promptly. To initiate the troubleshooting process for DTC P0105-16 and P0107, the first step involves turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position, allowing the onboard systems to power up. At this point, it is crucial to monitor the MAP sensor voltage via the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. If the voltage reading returns as lower than 0.23 volts, it confirms that the failure condition is replicated. This inspection assesses the output from the MAP sensor, providing an immediate understanding of whether the sensor itself may be malfunctioning, or if there's an issue within the electrical circuit associated with it. Gathering this initial data is vital for guiding further diagnostic steps. In the second step of troubleshooting for DTC P0105-16 and P0107, you will begin by inspecting the MAP sensor connector for any signs of damage, corrosion, or poor connections. It is paramount to ensure that the map sensor is securely connected and that its pins are clean and free from obstruction. Following this, proceed to inspect the VCC1 and PB circuits, which are essential for delivering power supply to the map sensor. Disconnection of the map sensor and PCM connectors may be necessary to perform these inspections accurately. The integrity of these circuits directly affects the map sensor's performance and therefore must be thoroughly assessed. If prior inspections for DTC P0105-16 and P0107 have returned normal conditions on the map sensor and its associated circuits, the next logical step involves evaluating the PCM itself. The PCM manages the overall engine control operations, and if other elements are functioning correctly, it may indicate a fault within the PCM. In this step, verification tests are performed to confirm whether the PCM is indeed the source of the issue. Properly assessing the functionality of the PCM allows for an accurate diagnosis, ensuring that a faulty component is not replaced unnecessarily in the process. After completing the necessary repairs for DTC P0105-16 and P0107, a final verification process must be conducted to confirm that the fault has been resolved. This involves test driving the vehicle under various conditions to ensure that it operates without triggering the check engine light again. During this drive, monitoring the map sensor voltage via the HDS should indicate normal operating conditions, reflecting that the repairs have successfully rectified the underlying issues. Once confirmed, clearing the DTCs from the PCM ensures that any previous fault codes are removed, allowing for accurate future diagnostics. Preventive maintenance is essential in ensuring that the map sensor and related circuitry continue to function optimally, reducing the likelihood of future issues relating to DTC P0105-16 and P0107. Regularly scheduling checks of the map sensor, including inspecting its electrical connections, can help identify and rectify minor issues before they escalate into more severe faults. Maintaining clean and secure wiring connections minimizes the likelihood of disruptions to the signaling and power supply that the map sensor requires. Performing routine inspections during regular vehicle maintenance checks can significantly enhance the longevity and reliability of engine management components. In summary, understanding DTC P0105-16 and P0107 is critical for maintaining the performance and efficiency of the Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models. The map sensor's low voltage condition can lead to significant engine performance issues if not addressed promptly. Following systematic troubleshooting steps ensures that each component, from the map sensor to the PCM, is thoroughly assessed and verified for proper operation. By implementing preventive maintenance practices, one can mitigate the risk of recurrence of this DTC in the future. Always remember that regular vehicle maintenance and prompt attention to warning signals can lead to an enhanced driving experience and vehicle reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.